Did you know that 84% of businesses report optimism for their business this year? Your financial friends at Ascentium Capital want to increase that level of optimism and share a few key benefits of financing for your business. Preserving cash flow is critical for small to mid-sized businesses. Instead of foregoing purchases, financing allows you to acquire new equipment and technology now without having to deplete your cash reserves. Ascentium Capital offers 100% financing options that enables you to include soft costs like training, shipping, tax, and more, so you can avoid a large outlay of cash up front. And with flexible repayment options and terms from 1 to 84 months, as well as deferred payment plans, you can match your payments to your cash flow. Stay competitive and on the cutting edge of new advancements in technology and equipment. Financing can help you avoid obsolescence with shorter finance terms and flexible buyout options. Structure your financing to take the best advantage of tax incentives like Section 179. Ready to get started and experience a higher level of optimism? You can finance virtually any business expense with financing and leasing up to $1.5 million. Ascentium Capital is the largest private independent finance company in the U.S. Take advantage of our flexible programs that can be tailored to suit your unique needs. Ascentium Capital. Fast, flexible financing. Call or visit today to receive a no-obligation quote on your next purchase or project.